Hi friends, today for math we are going to work on identifying numerals and we're going to work specifically on numerals 11 through 15. I think that most of my friends will find this lesson to be fairly easy, but I do think that it's important to talk about the word numerals. So right here on the screen you can see that we have some numerals listed right there. There's 1, 7, 3, 2, and a 14. That's one of the numerals we're going to be working on today. Numerals is a word that's close to numbers. It's kind of the same thing. It's just that numerals are written numbers. So I can say a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are numbers. But when I write them down, they change into numerals. So they are numbers that are written down. I want to bring up a poster here. We actually have a brand new theme now. We've moved on to chapter 5. And because of that, we have a new theme, and the theme is in the city. And I think that this is a cool theme because there are lots of instances and opportunities in a city to find numerals. And so I was looking at this one right here, and I'm going to grab my pen here so I can circle a few. But just in the pictures that are shown here on the poster, I can see that right up here there's a number 10. There's a numeral for us. I can find some other numerals here. Right here it says 19th Street. So when we have street signs, we see numerals, right? Here is a sign that says 16. There's a numeral. And this sign is like a road sign to tell us to get on the freeway or whatnot. Here in Utah, we have an I-15. That's another numeral that we can find out in the streets. Right here, there's this right here has several numerals. Do you see this? There's a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it jumps to 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there's some more numerals. And this is actually at a parking lot where you have to pay. And so you would have to match the numeral. Here's like number 15. I would have to pay for number 15 stall so that I could park there. Okay. Here's some numerals listed on a clock. There's a clock out in the city, right? And then the last part where I can really see some numerals written is right down here. And I can't really read them, but here's a license plate. We might see numerals on a license plate, okay? So I encourage you next time that you're out and about in the car, look around you and see if you can find some numerals. And then see if you can identify what those numerals are. I think that would be really cool. So I like that. We got to talk about the city and that we find numerals all around us, right? So today we're going to be talking about numerals past 10. So up until now, we've only really worked with numbers that are up to 10, okay? So we're going to talk about numbers beyond 10. So here we have a 10 frame right here, and it's full. It's full all the way. So there's 10. Then I added 1, 10 plus 1, and you know what I get? It's 11. 11 is the number that I would get there. Let's talk about the next numeral that we have right here. And this numeral, you can see I have 10, a 10 frame, and I'm adding 1, 2. And 10 plus 2 equals 12. So I have the numeral of 12. Let's go on to the next one. This numeral, I have 10, and I'm going to add 1, 2, 3. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So my numeral is 13. In this one, we have our 10 frame is full, and this time we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 4 equals 14. 14 on this one, okay? And the last one that we're talking about today has a 10 frame right here that's full. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time I'm adding 5 to it, and I get 15. You guys might have noticed that there's a little bit of a pattern after 10 because we have the first number, which is a 1, because we have one group of 10. That's the tens place, like we've been talking about since school started, right? We have our tens place and our ones place. And so since we have one group of 10 so far, we're always going to have this 1 in the front of our numbers. Okay, so we have a 1 and a 1. A 1 with a 2 is 12. A 1 with a 3 is 13. A 1 with a 4 is 14. And a 1 with a 5 is 15. Okay, something cool that we do have is we have a 10-20 frame. When we have two groups of 10, here's 10 and here's 10, together they make 20. So now we have 20 frames, right? Two 10 frames is equal to 20. And we also have this, which I think I showed you last time. We have a number line that goes all the way to 20 now, okay? So this number line and these two 10 frames are the same thing. But like I said, today we're just working on these numbers right here. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. These are the numbers that we are going to focus on our worksheets today. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bring our worksheets over today. And you guys, I know that you guys are going to get this so fast and it's going to be really easy for you. But I'm going to do a couple of these problems here for you so that I can kind of just demonstrate what's going on. So it says right here, number 1, color the box under 12 red. So first, let me get my red pen. Oh, there we go. I'm already on red. And then I need to find a 12. So I come up here, 11, 12. Here's 12. And I have to color the box red. So I'm just going to kind of scribble it in red. I'm not very good at coloring with my mouse, but you guys are a little bit better at it than I am. Okay, the next one says color the box under 15 blue. So I need to come up here and find me a blue pen. I'm looking for number 15 this time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here's 15 right here. And I'm going to color this box blue. Very good, very good. The next one says color the box under 13 yellow. Okay, so I'm going to find me a yellow. And here's 13, 11, 12. Oh, here's 13. And I'm going to color it yellow. The number 4 says color the box under 11 orange. Oh, so I need to find an orange. Here's an orange. I'm going to find number 11. Here's 11. And I'm going to color that one in orange. Oh, this is kind of a fun assignment because we're getting lots of colors in there, right? Color the box under 14 green. So let me find a green. Oh, I don't want that color green. Let's go bright green. We need to look for 14. So I find 14 right here, and I'm going to color that box in green. Very good. So this worksheet helped me to review the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, let's go on to this next assignment. This one is super easy, so I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with it. Okay, so this one, it just says draw a line to match the number in column 1 to the number in column 2. Easy, right? All I have to do is match the number. So here I have 11. I'm going to match it to another 11 right here, and I'm just going to draw a line in between the two. Okay, next I'm going to look right here. I have a number 12. I'm going to find the other number 12 is right here, and I draw a line between the two. Next is number 15. I find the other 15. There's 15, and I can draw a line in between the two. Next is number 13. I'm going to find the other 13 right here, and I'm going to draw a line in between. Next is the number 10. I'm going to find the other number 10. There it is. And I'm going to draw a line in between. Last is number 14. I'm going to find the other 14, which is right over here. Last one. And I draw a line. So see, that is a super easy worksheet for you guys to do today. And so I know that you guys will be able to knock that out pretty quickly. Okay, friends, so I am going to I'm going to sign off. I'd like you to continue with this Nearpod and use the draw tools to answer or complete those two worksheets, which I think you're going to be able to knock out pretty quickly. Remember in Nearpod that you have to submit with the blue submit button at the bottom so that I can see your work. Okay? Thanks, friends. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you later.